How to use your Wise card for online purchases. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, are you wondering how to use Wise card for online shopping? Well, in today's video, I'll walk you through how to use your Wise debit card to make sure a secure and smooth online purchases. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once inside the app, you can just tap on the cards tab at the bottom, and there you can check if your Wise card is activated. And with that, you can just tap on view details to see your full card number, expiry date and CVV, and you can use Face ID, fingerprint or passcode to unlock this info. And now with that, you can just head to any online store, and at the checkout you can enter your Wise card number, expiry date, CVV and billing address just like you would with any other debit card. And after that, Wise will automatically pull money from the correct currency balance if you have it, but if not, it will convert at real exchange rate with low fees, saving you money every time. And if you want extra security, you can use the app to freeze your card after shopping and unfreeze it when you need it again. And that's it. That's how you can use your Wise card for online purchase. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.